that impressive?
Yeah, that's like 500K. I'm louder though.
Yeah, you're louder? Try it out, let's see. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we are in Naples, Florida. We are just gonna spend the weekend here and we're gonna do some car spotting as always, and look what we have in front of us here. Oh, wow, yeah, it's really nice. Yeah, looks like a heart, bro. Love. Spreading the love. And just the Bentley there chilling.
That's nice.
Yummy. Oh. I think that Mansory was definitely the nicest car we've seen today. that's really impressive.
That you see in Dubai.
Yeah.
Not a bucket spot, but in the spot.
No, I noticed.
That's nice though, it's different.
Yeah. When you want to be chill.
Elegant ride.
Oh, bro, I literally just witnessed a murder. Hey, looks good. Damn, you guys may not be able to see it, but dude, that is a massive boat that is taking up the whole truck bed. Bro, Gabby, this is the M5. This is what's taking us all around Naples. I'll give you that this is the most bluest car here, for sure.
Like that blue is so like blue, like it's so hard to describe. It's not deep blue and it's not Miami blue. It's like in between, I think.
It's in your face blue.
Yeah.
Hey guys.
Bro, who are you posing for, bro? Bon appetit, everybody.
Feel comfortable doing that.
But it's a vlog. All your insecurities mean nothing on the vlog.
Bro, all my insecurities lead me to being afraid of a Naples officer. Yeah, babe, you don't live.
Oh, hello. Parking lot. Let's see what we got around here. Elantra, chillin', RAV4, E300. Sheesh. Bedazzle, man. Corolla, hey yo, TBT. Jaguar, okay, hello. A6 over there. Damn, what the? 328. That's in pristine condition, actually. Nice little Caddy CTS. Sheesh. Man, I want to make what they're making here, man. Those are like college students or like high position people. Now we're in the guest parking lot. Nice range. Is this the SVR?
No, the autobiography.
Oh shit.
So it's like the big body range, not the sport.
The big boy one?
Yeah.
The big money baller. What is that? Is that an 85?
Yeah.
Ah, new ones, bro. They look interesting. That's a nice Lexus. Ooh, look at the G-Wagon. It's the older one.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, and a 3 Series. Cadillacs. Unimpressed. That's nice though. Matte gray.
Massive.
Yeah. The Levante, Mustangs, and it was that ugly ass M5 right there, bro. Sheesh. Get fail. Bronze wheels, bro. That would look insane. Damn. The Toyota 86 TRD at 30. Here's a Brand new Cayenne. Nice.
For like an hour.
Hello, babe.
Yeah, I called sweater.
Is that a mummy? Hey, let me see the fit check. Sheesh. Let me see the fit check, sir.
What's up, guys? What you doing?
Man, with the Yeezys.
Cutie.
Man, it's our best right here.
Let's go, my boy.
New Tesla's just pulled up here. Model X, Model 3. Plaid? You? I didn't know that they made model plaids for the X.
Oh,
It is. Damn.
It's so bad. I think it's faster than
Speed of light.
the Aventador.
Oof, the SQ7 is nice, dude. Let's see what lies in store today. Oh shit. Cayenne. Oh, look at the 3.2 Carrera. Ooh. Damn, that is beautiful. Carrera. Damn, a Lamborghini Aventador. Oh man, that is so nice. Look at this. It's an SV too. Hey, can you give me a rev? I'm gonna manifest an Aventador SV. You guys watch. Babe, can you see me in an Aventador?
Absolutely. I've seen you in one, no?
No, I mean like owning one.
Babe, of course.
Yo guys, is that coffee? Is that coffee, babe?
Yeah.
Bro, not Bryce, literally documenting this. Oh wait, I'm doing the same thing.
Flash, bro, flash.
No, I ain't no flash man. Alright, so we're done with dinner and look what just showed up. An Aventador, another one. This guy's clearly not as fun as the first one. Brand new C8 Corvette. Hey man, Panamera, dude. GT boy. Rental.
You guys want to walk around?
More Porsche.
Yeah.
They have a what, a Taycan turbo? Is it turbo?
No, for us.
4S on display. Oh, to the hatchback version. The GT. Not a fan of the wheels though.
Yeah, and green.
No, the color's nice, but interesting. The more prominent symbols of wealth. The S-Class. Damn, it's so long. Jeez. Uh-huh. Yes, sir. The Rolly Rose. You may not be able to tell from the camera there, but that is a CLA. A really nice yellow color. Matte baby blue model. Why?
My Tesla Miami. Oh, those are the guys that do all the raps and stuff. I need to go hit them up.
True, true. Oh, we look like we're up to no good right now. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and head back to the rooms. That was pretty much our time here. Don't think tomorrow we're gonna really come across any interesting car, any other content. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and like this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and of course the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching. I will catch you next time.